Hello, my name is Jude Tadeo Walubo, and I am working with Universal Chastity Education as a country programs coordinator for Uganda. And Universal Chastity Education encourages young people to make wise and informed decisions, especially in areas regarding our sexuality, and it empowers young people to say no to sex until when they get married. And I'm one of those young people, and I've made a commitment to abstain from sex until that day when I get married. And for married people, Universal Chastity Education encourages them to be faithful to one another. In Uganda, we have been to over 400 schools, and it is amazing how powerful the UCE ministry is, how important this information is. It has helped many young people, and we have many testimonies from young people in schools around Uganda that are saying their lives have been changed because of this wonderful choice of abstinence, because of choosing to follow God's plan for their lives. And I encourage everyone to come and join us so that we can reach every young person in Uganda and even in other places with this message of abstinence, with this message about life skills, and with this message about choosing to follow God's plan for our lives. God bless you all.